So a customer reached out and said she liked my board and batten coop and my lofted barn coop. She had 8 chickens, so 4x4 was perfect size. Ended up building her a lofted barn 4x4. Check it out. This one, she wanted the easy to clean roost ladder roost. I still got to get a latch for it. I ran out. Got another roosting bar up there. 4 nesting boxes. It's got a big large vent on the right side of this coop. We'll walk around here, take a look. That's this side. Big large vent. She wanted the chicken exit at the back of the coop. I had a 2x8 that I used for the chicken ramp. A little bit overkill, but maybe she'll have some huge chickens. Here's the nesting boxes from the outside. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.